살짝 이게 정말 얘네들 그건지 모르겠는데 모양은 별로예요. 이렇게 이러한 모양이라고 합니다. 이게 무슨 투명인가 싶은데 좀 그렇죠. 근데 이제 투명 핸드폰이 나온다라고 하면은 더더욱 핸드폰을 못 찾을 가능성이 상당히 많이 증가하지 않을까. 지금도 핸드폰이 어디 있는지 못 찾는데. 스탁타이거님 안녕하세요. 반갑습니다. 우리 시청하시는 분들 좋아요 한 번씩 눌러주시면 감사드리겠습니다. 자, 그래서 애플은 기기 내면을 모두 감싸는 이제 사면 엣지 디스플레이 기술을 도입하면서 단일 유리 형태의 올 글래스 아이폰을
Hey guys, what is going on? What is going on, everyone? How was your day? You tell me. Don't ask me. Yeah, I had a great day, of course. A great red day. I look like I had an interview today? No. I did definitely have a long day though. Yeah, it really had a long day. I didn't really get a chance to I don't know. I kind of feel like I had a lot of trades, but all my trades were kind of keep in mind I was trying to go long, right? So trying to go long, you guys know what happens after that. You're trying to long this market and looking for that 10 points move, and it goes against you, and you got no SL. Guess what's gonna do? Yeah, I mean, I didn't have a good day. Long story short, I had a bad day. Yeah. Not gonna try and sugarcoat how my day was. Yeah, today was a very tough day. You know, I don't know if you guys remember, I did say last night that every time we come into the Globex Asia and we have a really rough day, weird price action, getting into the Globex Asia, it really kind of set a tone on how the next day is going to be. And I think that was a classic example. We had a really weird price action last night. You guys know we had a over 150 200 points move, a dump and a pump, right? Even during Globex Asia. And I did say that I think the next morning is going to be wild. Expect some wild volatility, and that's exactly what we got today, this morning. Incredible. Incredible, yeah. I was like, you know what? Wow. Yeah, I had no SL in none of my trades, and of course, I ended up getting absolutely. I I mean, I also made some. Guess what? I mean, I had bad trades, a lost couple accounts, but I also had some really, really strong trades. Some of them on accounts that really matters. Like I had funding ticks account that I made $4,000 on that account, and that account is well, it's not an unlimited payout, but it's got a $5,000 payout cap on that account, funding ticks. So that puts me in a really good spot to get that extra, you know, like before the end of the month. You know, you guys know that I've been trying to fight for over 35k, and that really puts me what I still got to get. I don't know. I still have to make about $12,000, right? And I kind of feel like I'm ever getting closer to that number. And you know, I've got let's do a little math here. Yeah, I mean, from a payout standpoint, it's looking good. Now the only thing is, I'm really kind of waiting for an offer, but none of these offers that we're getting right now, it's you know, none of the offers that we're getting right now makes me attracted. Like Bill and Ox 85%, like, do we really care about that? 85%? Is it 85 or 82? I think it's 85. Weird. It's 85%. It's weird, guys. Was it always 85? I don't think so. Let me just try to take a look and see. Oh, okay. So their 85% is kind of down to $26 on a 50k account. I see. Well, I guess, yeah. I mean, I would prefer to see them do 90%. Like, that would have been a much stronger appeal, right? I'm surprised that they came out with the 85% off instead of doing 90%. 90% would have like tripled the demand. Now they have 85%. It's like, okay, well, it's all right. It's an okay deal, but it doesn't really, you know, make me excited, including listed, including everybody else. So I guess we're gonna have to wait another week, I guess, right, for the real actual Black Friday. If nobody really wants to come with an offer, I'm not gonna rush into loading in accounts because I'm not interested. If they want to be difficult, that's fine. I'm okay with that. You want to be difficult, that's fine. All right, so yeah. So of course today was a very difficult day, but funding ticks, I've got funding ticks. I'm looking for another 4k in payouts. Top Step, I'm looking for another 3,000 payouts, right? So, and then what else? Apex, another, I would say 4k. So guess what? This is very conservative, by the way. So 7, that's 11k. You know what? I'm just gonna be okay with 70k. Walk away. Damn it, guys! It's this market is just too difficult. So I'm gonna be happy with what I could potentially get here, and these are kind of like a very, very realistic number. I'm already pretty close to 4k on a funding ticks because this has got a $5,000 payout cap, and I made $4,000 today. So I kind of get, and I got another account that's a $1,000 payout cap. So if you include that, 4k is definitely doable in the next few days. I just need to trade one more day, by the way. And TS, I'm kind of like I've got to trade one more day on TS to request my $3,000 payout, which I think I should be able to do that today. I'm gonna be doing that today. And Apex, conservatively 4k, just in case, you know, we get denied and stuff like that, right? So between 4 to 8k, I would say. Anyways, guys, this is what I kind of feel like. You know, we are getting pretty close to this number. This is coming into, of course, in the next few days. For now, we've also got Top Step. Oh my god, Top Step, incredible. Just 1 second, guys. I've got to reload Top Step with the username. Yeah, I mean, the greatest thing with this Project X accounts are like, they always log you off. They always log you off, unfortunately. And I'm not interested in sharing my user and the password to everybody, so all right, guys, here we are. Let's try to see if we can actually get something out of this, guys. I just need to have one trade, and that's gonna get me $150. We may try to, yeah. We'll start the day with Top Step, and we'll go to our Take Profit Trader, try to see if we can pass a whole bunch of Take Profit Trader accounts. Good afternoon, everybody. Just right in the house, man. Oh my God. JAR locked in another Take Profit Trader payout, man. Yeah, it feels really good to get to a daily payout, guys. It really feels good. I mean, I kind of missed out. Unfortunately, we'll try to rebuild again on Take Profit Trader. Try to see if I can actually get that daily payout. Just like the way Justin Wright is doing. I would love to do that on a day-to-day basis now. We'll see, guys. That's tough, but we'll try. You bought the dip too soon. I know, man. Hey, the market was moving 300 points today up and down. There's absolutely no way to survive in this volatility unless you got a like couple micros, right? Obviously, I'm not interested in couple micros trading the New York, of course, but that's what you get, you know. And I didn't have any sales, so I kind of ended up losing some accounts, but it is what it is. Anyways, perfect play. Good afternoon. Dan Amons, what up, man? Jack 2100, what up? Adam 212. The late afternoon dump was nasty. Was it? I thought the late afternoon was a bounce. I thought we had a bounce, if I'm not wrong. It was a tough day. Yeah, today was another tough day. And you know what, guys? It kind of set a tone on last night, right? Last night we talked about the weird price action that we were getting last night. Kind of gave us some sort of a signal on how this market is going to be the very next day. And that's exactly what we had. We had 150 points, 200 points, wild up down moves during Globex Asia, which obviously it's not happened in a long time. Right, it's very irregular and unusual, right? And we've got that last night, and we said that's really gonna set some tone for the very next day. And we actually ended up getting 300 points up, down. Incredible, guys, incredible. I hope all of you were safe today. I hope all of you had a great day today as well this morning. Did you? It's been 2 days. Still, Take Profit Trader not adding free activation into the wallet. The support not responding. Anyone else? Well, I don't know. Not really had an issue like that before. You gotta kind of wait a day, but yeah. So Tiger, can you check out SPY? I think it looks weak, but my target 580 to downside. Oh man, I am not sure. I didn't check the SPY at all. I didn't really get a chance to check this overall market today. But look at this, man. This is my obviously my chart. Yeah, it's looking weak. Yeah, we had a nice, beautiful bounce into the 673, of course, and that 673 was kind of like a magnet, right? And I was like, if we can pierce through the 673, then I would definitely try to change my bias, and this market is gonna get a bounce. But of course, 673 was really a tough level to crack, right? So this market got a rejection of that 673, which is right in that EMA zone as well. And the major level of resistance got a rejection of that 673, got a pull back here all the way back into 665, looking pretty bearish now. But yeah, I mean, we may get a little bounce back into 667. That's the minor little support, minor little resistance there. But I think overall we could see this thing pull back into 650s. Obviously, this is the level that we were kind of looking at all this time, right? And we're kind of going, okay, well, 65, 655 would be an area of a major level of support. So we will see a breakdown into that level that we drew that here a couple of weeks ago. And it's really kind of working out the way we thought it is, right? We got a bearish head and shoulders kind of playing out as well. So we'll see how it goes, but I think it's still looking bearish to me overall, the structure, right? And back into 655 probably would be an ideal spot to kind of like, you know, major level support there. So overall, I think we do see some more push to the downside, I think overall, but Globex Asia is going to set a tone now. Maybe we try to get a little bit of a bounce. We had a little bit of a squeeze back towards the end of the day today. I don't know how that's going to kind of shape tonight. We got 4 more seconds, guys. Let's see
the market
market does. I'm going to start the day with micro contracts. Good luck, everybody, if you guys are trading. And thank you guys for being here, by the way. Love you guys. Well, let's try to trade the XFA so I can go ahead and try to request the payout, guys. I just need $150. Right, so we'll try to make something out of this. Let's try to make some good trade so I can kind of get to $150 payout. All right, guys, we're sitting at 906 now. This is the first time I had an issue like this. Venki dip. You know what? When you try to reach their customer service, try to use incognito. All right, I don't know if you're here right now, Venki Deep. Try to use incognito, and for everybody else as well. If you guys are kind of struggling to get a hold of the customer service TPT, Tech Profit Trader, try to use the incognito, right? And I think that should kind of help you. I don't know if it's the cookie that's kind of the, you know, but it you know. I get hold of customer service more often than not by using incognito, right? So anyways, that is me though. All right, guys, we are getting a nice little pump here, guys. Let's see if we can kind of hold this area now. Oh man, let's look for a little pullback here if I can actually hop on along.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm one contract now. Again, like I said, I'm looking for the $150 so I can kind of request a payout. So let's say if we can hold this area now, we'd probably get a bounce back into 965 area, which is right up there. All right, guys, let's see if we get a nice little bull flag here, bounce. We got a nice little support here at 924 as well. So the channel support here, and let's see if we get a bull flag. All right, I've just got with 1 micro now. What is up, Kelly Kaufman in the house, man? Nish Kev. L. Lee, man, what is going on, brother? Apash, what up? All right, guys, good luck, everybody, if you guys are trading. Once again, oh man, look at that dump pitch all of a sudden. Holy, man. All right. I'll try and
order filled.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to play a hard stop today, right? I can't be I'm gonna be looking for 3 micro trade here. And I'm gonna be like my hard stop here at 895. Yeah, well, 895, my hard stop. My final take profit would be in that 950 zone if we end up getting a bounce. All right, guys, we kind of got a rejection of that pivot there at 931. Let's see if we kind of hold this area now. I've got 3 micro. I don't know if I want to be adding any more than this, to be honest. I'm not. Yeah, I don't want to. Yeah, I don't think so. I will be if I can get $150 on this trade, I will be requesting a payout, guys. Obviously in front of my fellow traders. I don't know how much that's gonna be. I'm most probably kind of thinking maybe $2,700 is what I'm going to be requesting, guys. We are getting a nice little bounce. You guys see if we hold this area now. We're getting a nice little breakout. I'm going to try and add
Order
some more.
filled.
All right, there we go, guys. I'm going to place my hard stop now at the break even. All right, my stop. Oh, sorry, no. Yeah, my stop here would be right at the VWAP. Let's see, guys.
Order filled.
All right, guys. Nice little bounce.
Order filled.
Oh, nice, guys. Nice, man. I just need $40 more. Can
Order
this be
filled.
like the most difficult thing to ever do? I don't know.
Order filled.
All right, guys. I'm down to 2 contracts. I'm moving my stop to break even. Ah, no. All right, guys. I'm gonna exit this. Ah. Can this be the most difficult trade ever? Ever? Yeah, I almost got stopped out there. Yeah. Oh,
Order
down to
filled.
1 now because I'm down to 1 contracts. Oh my god, I only made $200. Sorry, $120. This could have been a nice little trade there, by the
Order
way.
filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys.
Order filled.
Oh my god, I still need $5 more. Paulo Santos, man, what is going on, brother? What up? Cobop. I was good. You had a good day this morning and had to leave at 7:30. I did not notice you had a short. Oh my god. You ran back and blew all 3 accounts. I thought, oh my god. Hey, Cobop, man, I'm really sorry to hear that, bro. I mean, that kind of happens. I do that all the time. And that's purely because for me, I'm using my phone to trade a lot of times during the morning, and you know, it's I do not flatten all by mistake. Like more often than not, I forget to cancel my all my limit orders or SLs or whatever it may be. You know, I should get into habit of flattening all. I just don't do that. Anyways, guys, I've got, oh my god, I can't believe I still have to make $4 more on this trade. That's gonna be just preparing myself to request a payout here, guys. $5 more. $4 more. Yep. All right. Yeah, let's try to short this. $5 more. Why is this so difficult? Why am I so pressured right now with $5 more, man? How hard can this be? Oh yeah, I have no idea. Well, we got a nice little V-shaped bounce here, right? Towards the end of the day. Look at this pullback now. What a nice, beautiful spot. I actually exited my trade there. So let's try to see if I can actually get something out of this now. I just need $5, you guys know. Let's see. Let's see how strong of a bounce we get right now. If we can get a nice little bounce, then I think, yeah, I'm golden. I'm okay to go long, but it doesn't look like it's trying to hold. All right, guys, I'm going to exit that. All right,
Order
guys.
filled.
It's $8, man. $8. Let's see if we get it, guys.
Order
$8.
filled.
Oh my god. Hold on, guys. Did I get $5? 1 second. 1 second, everybody. So I just got $8. Oh man. Yeah, I got my $5, right? I'm just not sure if that's good enough though. I don't know. I mean, you guys know the commissions and all that, right? So maybe it's a little less than that. I'm at 152.6. I don't know if that's good enough. Well, the take profit, well, not take profit trader, top step dashboard isn't updated, so I'm gonna move back to take profit trader trading for now. I'm trying to see. I just want to make sure the top step dashboard is getting updated with the with that trade. I think it's good. I think it's good. Let's try to make sure. 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, I think it's good. I think it's good. So all right, so I think it's good. I'm gonna lock this out. Right, I'm gonna lock it out. Now I'm gonna go and check if I can actually request a payout, guys. 1 second. All right, the top step dashboard is not getting updated, so yeah, I mean that's not a bad payout, right? It's $5,400 divided by 2. That's 27. Yeah, I'm gonna be able to request $2,700, which is fantastic, guys. And that's really yeah. Yeah, it's $2,700. One second, guys. I'm just trying to make sure I'm able to do that. All right, it's still not popping on our on their dashboard for some reason. So yeah, it should pop. Oh, okay, so it's not yet updated. All right, their account balance still shows 5,400, 5,407, but on this one it says 5,447, right? So there's still $4 missing. All right, I think it's in a few minutes. I think it's gonna get updated, right? Yeah, I think it's gonna get updated in a few minutes, I guess. Yeah, yeah. I'm still missing $40 on the top step dashboard. But anyways, guys, so let's move on to our take profit trader. We achieved what we really have to, and so now we're gonna have to move on to the take profit trader accounts. Let's try to trade these bad boy. And during this process, of course, I'm gonna check and see if I can request a payout with top step as well. So. By the way, guys, we got our giveaway happening. I'm gonna do a hold on one second, guys. We'll do our giveaway. I just want to make sure I'm able to do that right now. All right, so one second. Wow, what a mixed bag of vote here. We have over 100 votes, and they're all in a favor of nothing. They all think it's kind of like a mixed bag, chop, uptrend, downtrend, all the same. So we'll close that vote, kind of understand what overall the fellow traders are kind of thinking. So that's good. All right, one second, everybody. What am I thinking now? One second, guys. I want to see what account I have to that I can do a giveaway here. I didn't have a chance to check this, so just one second, guys. I don't want to do a giveaway and then like I have no account to give. so one second, guys. One moment. One moment. All right, guys, we'll do if you can have fund the futures network. Let's do a little poll. I want to know what you guys prefer. Just one second, guys. I just want to find out what you guys prefer to do. So by the way, take profit trader, when you win the giveaway, there is no activation fee. Not anymore, guys, by the way. And that's not just here for me, but it's across the board. So when you win take profit trader giveaway, there's no activation, right? All right, guys, I'm gonna close the poll here. I just want to quickly find out what you guys think. Yeah, there's no activation, by the way, if you guys win, so I'm not really sure. So right now we've got 47 votes in favor of take profit trader. So guys, 1 second. Just 1 minute, guys. Let's try to. All right, I'm gonna close the poll here. Right, we've got over half looking for the take profit trader here. So, all right, I think it's good enough of a sample here. Over 50 votes in a favor. All right, guys, I'm gonna end the poll right there. All right, so there we go, guys. We'll do take profit trader, guys. We'll do take profit trader, guys. Right, we are going to do take profit trader here today. Also kind of makes it simple for me. All right, so all right, so there we go, guys. Take profit trader 50K account starts right now. I don't know if there is a comment there, but just making sure that guys, remember, I'm gonna give you guys 3 minutes to confirm that you are here today. All right, I'm just gonna have to do a little bit of a comment there, though. Right. 1 second, guys. I thought this is this the one? Well, I can't even put the comment. Hold on 1 second, guys. Yeah. Guys, make sure in order to claim the giveaway, you have to be here, and I'm gonna give you guys 5 minutes to claim your price, or we're gonna have to redraw. Okay, just don't forget about that, guys. And let's try to go and take a look and see if my top step is able to request a payout. Oh, it's still not there, guys, man. What the heck is going on with Top Step? After they're freaking fast. Not anymore, I guess. I can't, guys. I cannot request a payout. Still missing $40. I wonder why. Let's try to go back to my Top Step here for a moment. I guess they don't want to pay me. Is that what it is? I kind of locked it myself. Yeah, I'm still waiting. Yeah, it's just not updating, guys. Just not there right now. Usually they're pretty fast with this, but not today, I guess. Not today. So I guess I'm gonna have to wait a little longer, right? Hopefully we can request a payout today alongside my fellow traders, guys. That's gonna be a lot of fun if I can do that, right? And then anyways, guys, back to Take Profit Trader now. Let's try to get into some good trades here. Yeah, so by requesting $2,700, that's gonna get me to over 25, and that $25,000, by the way, guys, that I don't know if you guys remember, that was my last month's number. We kind of surpassed last month's number now. Incredible, guys, incredible. It's great. It's great. I mean, obviously we would love to see some much bigger number, but of course it's not. This trading, I mean, it's you know, we should be grateful that we got something. You know, I mean, I wouldn't complain about 20K. I mean, sorry, not 20K, 30K. All right, guys, we are getting that nasty pullback here, guys. The gold trying to get a bounce. MNQ trying to pull back here, guys. Not looking, not a good looking chart, if you will. Right? I don't know what you guys see, but what a nasty wick there. Bearish wick. Got rejection off that level 2. So not sure. What up, Alan 99? Tiger, excited to be back with you, man. Hey, brother, I am excited as hell as well. Perfect play in the house. What up? Amazing. What is going on, brother? ICD Addict. What up? Will Lee? No. Guys, man, so many weird, difficult names to pronounce. Thank you to YouTube. Born to win in the house. Super Mario. Hey, man, what is going on, brother? Long time no check. Woo, baby. Camelio. Z White. Dark Cloud. Noble Gabriel. Golden. Michael Johns. What up? Dude 45 in the house. Hector. What up? All right, guys, man. Sorry if I did not call out your names. I hope y'all had a great day today. Let's see if we can actually get a little bit of a bounce back in this market. So far, we got a big fat rejection of that 950. Right at the open, we kind of squeezed up, and then we got to pull back. So let's see, guys. I want to kind of understand what the trend is, right? Like you guys saw me earlier. I made that 150 bucks on my top step, and that kind of put me in a good spot to request the payout now. Now I'm trying to understand what this market is trying to do. I'm on a 200 ticks chart on the left hand side and 30 minutes chart on the right hand side, and we are getting a little bit of an indecisive doji candle here on a 30 minutes chart. So it's gonna be hard until we kind of see some trend. It's gonna be hard to get myself in a trade, right? I wonder what the goal is. Gold looks like it wants to, right? The gold, yeah, maybe the gold is trying to get a little bit of a bounce, I think, but I don't know. Well, you had a, wow, what a dump in the gold, man. I didn't really check the gold today, but that's an incredible dumpage on gold. I don't know if you guys are trading gold, but this is a pretty significant pullback here, right? That was like 70 points pullback in gold and a 60 points bounce, man. I don't think I would have survived even if I traded gold, to be honest. I did go short last night though, but yeah, I mean anyways, guys, back into the MNQ now. Careful, Tiger on gold. Yeah, I know, guys. Thanks for letting me know. Heads up. I did trade gold, but I don't know. You waited all day for that short gold, really? You waited all day, and did you get that move that you're looking for? All right, guys, I'm trying to get into a trade now. I'm trying to see if I can actually try to go long here. Right, I kind of feel like we got a nice little trending day. Looks like we kind of held up 882. Keep in mind, guys, we are underneath $25,000. Guess what that means, right? And we're not too far off from the 25K. So I'm kind of thinking, okay, well, we may try to reclaim the 25K. Or is that $25,000, you know, a big level to crack above, right? So, right, I mean, we got to bounce into the 954 and then we got a big fat rejection of that level. Kind of makes me feel like, you know, it's going to be a little bit of a tough level to kind of crack. Try to get above that. So one second, guys. Here we've got that. We also got a rejection of this. Well, not this one there. Yeah, there was a lot of resistance at 950 zone. I don't know. We got just keep in mind, guys, we got Nvidia earning coming out. Is it tomorrow or on Wednesday? On Wednesday. I wonder what the Fed minute report is coming out on Wednesday too. I'm not sure. And keep in mind, Fed Waller could be the next Fed. I mean, we don't know for certain, but I think that's what I'm hearing right now. Fed Waller, right? Could be the next Fed chair once JP goes away. So whatever he says could be kind of like an important one. And he says our balance sheet is pretty spot on, and that's obviously the rates are creeping up in the market, suggesting that we are close to scare reserve. If we saw a rebound in the job market, there would be less need for insurance cuts. If we saw a rebound in the job market, there would be less need for insurance cut again. It's unlikely that any data, including the upcoming jobs report, would change the view that another rate cut is in order. All right, so yeah, it's kind of firm that they're gonna do rate cuts in the upcoming event. So that's one. But I guess the Nvidia earnings is gonna kind of like dictate where this market's gonna go. I guess I'm not in a trade right now, and I'm trying to get into a trade. I'm just not sure. We just got above the VWAP here at 916. All right, so we just got above the VWAP. So I'm gonna try and lean long. I'm gonna try and long here, guys.
Order filled. Order filled.
My stop here would be the 909, right? I'm gonna place a stop, hard stop, guys. It's not gonna be like last night, StockTiger. My stop at the break. Sorry, not break even. My hard stop here.
Order filled.
900 area.
Order filled.
Right, I've got 6 contracts, and let's see if we get a pullback here. I'm gonna exit this trade. I've got a hard stop, so yeah, I'm just gonna try to play very tight today, because I think this market is gonna be very volatile, and I don't want to be holding a big bag, if you will. That's gonna put me in big negative, especially with an understanding that Globex ASIA lately, at least for the last few days, has not been the real, you know what I mean, the typical Globex ASIA, right? 10 points move. It's not been doing that, so it's gonna be hard for me to not do a hard stop today. So if we get a pullback here, I'm gonna get stopped out. If not, then we get a bounce, and that's gonna put me back in the green. So we'll see. Are we gonna go above 25K tonight? I mean, we're gonna have to wait and see. But in order to get to $25,000 today, we really have to get above the. Yeah, I mean, you know what? That 250, the $25,000 area is a huge. It's like a freaking magnet, right? A massive volume. It's like a brick wall. So in order to get past that, oh man, we gotta get some really strong momentum move. Yep. So I guess we're gonna have to wait. So far we're kind of above all the EMAs, so let's see if we can actually hold this. My target would be the 954. That would be the initial high. The retest of this initial high, that would be my final take profit. And I forgot to. And by the way, guys, our Discord link. I'll share my Discord link. Somebody was asking me a Discord link. I'll share it again right now. If you guys want to hang out. What was I thinking right now? I was supposed to do something. I forgot. Completely forgot. What was I trying to do? I forgot, guys. Oh yeah, there's something else I wanted to do. Okay, 1 second. There's so many things going on. I'm like, oh, I know exactly what I was trying to do, but then I forgot. All right, guys, don't forget, we've got our giveaway, which is Take Profit Trader. If you are the winner, you are not going to need to pay for an activation, by the way, right? As long as you pass, so you should be golden. And we will call out the winner as soon as we get to 180 likes, guys, okay? So please take a moment to smash the like, everybody, if you guys want to support the stream. And let's get this going, guys. If you guys are trading, trade safe as well. If not, then let's have some fun. Thank you guys for being here as well today. Today and every day. You guys know I go live during Globex Asia every single day. I was one of the, probably not one of the, probably the earliest Globex Asia trader, right? And that started off last year. Right, I was probably the only one trading live streaming during Globex Asia last year, right? And so far we continue to trade the Globex Asia, which is obviously one of the more difficult ones to trade, and not because it's there's no clean setup. That's what makes Globex Asia a tough one to trade. But we're here. We've been trading for over a year now, so. My win rate is obviously not as good as New York, but still, being here, having this huge community, and having you guys be here during the live streaming as well, I thank you guys every day. It definitely is. It does really mean a lot. It means the whole world. So thank you guys once again for always being here every day, guys. Always here. 5 p.m. Eastern Time, 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time, and that's when I am here every day, guys. Globex Asia, and obviously you guys know I try my level best to showcase my trading journey during the day as well. So I try my level best to be live streaming.
Stop filled.
2 to 3 times a week during New York, usually at about 11 a.m. Eastern Time, right? And that's when I go. That's when I go live streaming. And I do let you guys know a day before that that I will be going live as well. So lots of live streaming, guys, and I thank you guys always being here with us.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm gonna have a hard stop here at 900 area. I don't think I can hold any more than this. I'm down. But right, and that's where my hard stop is, guys. I don't think I can hold on to this any longer. So if this wants to get a pullback, then it's gonna have to stop me out at 900 area. All right, guys, we are getting a little bounce. Looks a little bouncy here. We'll see if we can actually continue this move back into the 940s. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to place my hard stop right, like I told you. Part of the reason is because I don't know. It's making this wild moves during Globex Asia lately, so. Assuming that it's going to be a 10 points range today, it's like being very naive, you know what I mean? We got kind of burnt last night, so right, so I just want to make sure if I get burned, at least I don't get broke tonight. So yeah, what a chop here, guys. This market is definitely very choppy right at this level now. It's I think it's having a little bit of a hard time trying to decide what it really wants to do. But I kind of like it to the upside overall. I may be wrong, but I'm kind of leaning more to the upside. If we try to get a pullback here, yeah, then obviously I'm gonna exit this trade. But I mean, Edgar Leon, what up, man, brother? Edgar Leon from Mexico, Mexico. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien. Oh, muy bien is what? French. Oh, sorry, that's Spanish. Sorry, man. I was trying to be smart. And guys, don't forget, Take Profit Twitter 50K account giveaway happening right now. Do not forget to smack the like, guys, everybody.
Order filled. Order filled.
Alright, guys. Do not make fun of me. I'm embarrassed. Yeah, we got a lot of great traders, by the way, on our Discord. Let's see if we got some. Oh my god, look at that scalper. We got a lucid payout, guys. Incredible. Just calling out some of our fellow traders' journey, and I thank you guys once again for sharing your payouts, right? Your P&Ls. All of these truly means the world for the community, and I thank you guys for doing that. And you know, I would love to call out your names every single day during our stream, guys. So try your level best to share as much as you can. It really does motivate a lot of us, including myself, right? So thank you guys once again for doing that. And now we got Scalper, $1,500 a payout, right? We got, oh man, what the heck, man? Scalper taking a lot of payout, guys. Holy man, look at that. We got some big payout coming from Silver as well. That's what he said during our in the main chat. So I look forward to that. I don't wonder what that's gonna be. Probably a huge monster Silver, man. He's a crazy gold trader. Q737 also taking $5,000 from Take Profit Trader as well. We got some nice little P&L status here as well. I want to share that. Profit Factor making $750, and this is absolutely amazing stat. Congrats, Profit Factor. Dude 45, man, kicking ass with the Take Profit Trader eval account and going on a funded account with the Funded Futures Network as well. Look at that. Good stuff. Dude 45. A sculptor with a lot of payouts and with a lot of P&Ls. Green. Looking good there. And something really surprised me is D. Lorenzo, man. I think this is probably the copy trader. I think that's the platform that it's kind of using. But this is huge monster looking P&L. Like, yeah, I mean, these are stuff that I really want to see like all the time. Like, it makes me so, like, you know, I want to do something like this as well. It's such an inspiration, guys. And thank you for sharing that, D. Lorenzo. This is a huge P&L, by the way. And it doesn't look like it's copy trading at all. It's all individual trading, I would imagine. And that's a huge, huge trades across the board. Anyways, lots of P&L, lots of great trades by a lot of traders. And I thank you guys once again for sharing that. Let's try to go back to our trading now. We are getting a nice little balance, which is great. Let's try to see if I can take some more off the table as well.
Order filled.
I'm gonna trail my hard stop here now. Probably back into the break even. I'm gonna take one more off the
Order
table.
filled.
Look, let's see if we can. Let's see if we get a little bit of an extended move here back into the 950 zone. And that would be the retest of the high. I like what I see so far. Of course, the only problem is that usually when you see this kind of a move during New York, it's, well, there's no guarantee, but at least the probability of this getting a little bounce back into the 950 is very, very doable and realistic, right? Globex Asia, though, it looks like it's gonna pump and then it kind of fades, right? Because there's no volume. It's like a little rubber band, right? That's what I kind of feel like Globex Asia is. I don't know if that's a good example, but I think it's like a rubber band, right? It goes up and goes down at the same pace with no real direction, right? But anyways, guys, we're getting a little bounce, which is great for now. Let's try to see if we can actually get a little more extended move here back into the 950. That's my target. Guys, don't forget, we got Take Profit Trader 50K account giveaway today. And good luck, everybody, if you guys are doing that. And thanks for smashing the like, everybody, as well. Thank you, guys. All right, so here we are. All right, so we're getting a little bounce. The bounce, like, it's pretty slow market, if you will. A little slower than I
Order filled.
think it is, but we are getting a nice little bounce, though, guys. We're getting a nice little bounce. We are trying to retest the high here, the initial high at 950. So we'll see if we can actually get a nice little bounce back into that level. And then, I don't know, I'm gonna have to wait and see. Watch this market. I don't have the TP right now. All I have is a little bit of a SL, just in case. I mean, with any kind of a bad news, we could just literally dump, right? And that's why I prefer to have a hard stop today, right? It's still above my entry, so if we end up getting pulled back here, yeah, I'm gonna get stopped there, but in profit, so I'll be okay with that. Yeah. Eddie P, you're down in MQ today, $500, and bought the bottom with one contract. Wow, man. Eddie, that's a fantastic comeback. Congrats, man. Good job, good job. Estoy Edgar Leon, estoy muy saluda. You're healthy. Hope to you, brother. Oh yeah, man. I'm healthy too. I think. Nobody knows. Mochaccino mode.
Stop filled.
Yeah, not a mochaccino mode. It almost kind of feels like a cappuccino mode right now with that pullback here that we're getting right now, guys. I got stopped out there. I mean, yeah, a little pullback here. This is the problem, right? It looks like we are gonna get a bounce, and all of a sudden we get a pullback. And I think that was a classic example of what I actually kind of witnessed today in the morning. It was a lot of up and down. Lots of up and downs, right? Lots of up and downs, and literally about 40 points up, down, across like a few hours, I think. And then we got a little bit of a squeeze towards the end. But lots of up and downs today. I kind of feel like maybe we may try to chop in this range between 950 area and 900, so that's 50 points range. So I wouldn't be surprised if we get a pullback here all the way down, right? I wouldn't be surprised if we do that. All right, guys, I'm gonna exit this trade. I don't like this
Order
move.
filled.
So I'm gonna exit that trade there, because I want to get rid of this fields in order. Show the fields. There we go. Yeah, I want to get rid of that. I mean, I'm okay with the trade lines, but I'm not okay with this little triangle shape. You know, my entry, my exit, because I've got to see the chart. I've got to see the candles, but I can't see that with that stupid triangle. All right, guys, let's see. We get a nice little bounce back above. We just kind of tested 925. Yeah, it's yeah, I'm not completely bullish, by the way. Again, we are back to indecisive doji candle, right? So the next candle, the candle that we have right now, it's an indecisive doji candle. So it's a lot of wicks here. You guys can see. I think this market kind of a little confused. Maybe they're kind of waiting for obviously the Nvidia. So I guess the Nvidia is gonna set a tone on how this market's gonna be. For now, I think because we got Nvidia in the next few days, on Wednesday, that is, that's 2 days away from today. Oh yeah, so I mean, oh, by the way, guys, 1 second, I've got to go to Top Step. I completely forgot about that, right? Let's go to our top step. I want to find out if I can actually request the payout now. Oh my god, still not updated. What the heck, guys? What the heck? What is up with this, everybody? Their dashboard's not updated yet. Account balance 5407. 5407. And I'm kind of sitting at 5446. I wonder if they're not getting that updated on a purpose. I don't know. I may be wrong, but they're gonna take a day to activate your funded account. Oh yeah, by the way, yeah, I'm still waiting for my funding ticks activation as well. You're right. Tigor Happy. Sorry, not Tigor Happy. I think it's somebody else. 12 VAC. Yeah, I'm waiting for mine as well. Let's take a look at the gold here. Oh my mochaccino, guys. Look at this pullback in gold. This pullback is real. Yeah, man. It's oh dear. No real significant volume, by the way. Not as much as NQ, but I wonder what this NQ, sorry, what the gold is gonna try and do. But look at this, man. NQ pulling back, gold pulling back at the same time. I don't know, man. It's, can this get any more confusing, guys? Yeah, definitely very confusing, right? Definitely very confusing. I mean, as much as I like to we're obviously not no man's land, right? On NQ for sure. And gold looking like it wants to get another leg to the downside. I wonder if I want to try to short gold here.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm short gold, guys, by the way. I'm in a 5-minute chart. And I'm going to place a hard stop here right in that 40.39 area. Yeah, you guys know this gold can be wild, right? They move like 10 points like in a matter of a second. So I've got 2 micros, so I'm not gonna cry about this trade. But look at that dumpage, guys. I may try to add some more or what now, guys?
Order filled.
Oh my mochaccino, guys.
Filled.
Hold on 1 second, guys. I'm gonna place my stop at the, oh my god, look at that.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
What the heck was that? Hold on 1 second, 1 second. What is going on here? Yeah. Trading gold, thank you so much. Gold made my day again. All right, I'm on a 5-minute chart, but then it's hold on 1 second.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Let's see how much of a bounce we get in gold now. Oh my god, look at that real.
Order filled.
Oh shit, look at that, guys, man. I'm gonna have to exit this trade now. Good stuff, StockTiger. You're just giving money back to gold, and that's what it is. Oh my god, look at that bounce in gold, guys. And that's a crazy little bounce man we're getting. All right, guys, I got my stop here at 41. That's it. Yeah.
Order filled. Order filled.
What a nasty bounce we are getting in the gold, man. Wow. Am I gonna get stopped out on this? Fuck me, man. You gotta be kidding, guys. Oh my god. Are you seriously kidding me? You gotta be kidding, bro. All right, I exited that trade.
Order
Oh my
filled.
god. I love gold, man. Like it's the most beautiful thing ever. What the heck was that though, guys, man? 10 points. Jeez. What was that, guys, man? I'm not happy. Yeah, I definitely have to work something out with the gold, man. Look at this. Now we're getting a dump in gold. We'll try to reshape this, guys. We'll try to
Order filled. Order
reduce.
filled. Order filled. Order filled.
How do I get rid of this entries? 1 second, everybody. I've got to get rid of that. Fail. Sheffields. There we go. All right. That was a pretty nasty bounce off that low. Let's try to see if I can actually place my orders here, if I can. Yeah, it looks bouncy here, but I don't know. Yeah, my mental stop 44 area. Mental stop 44 area, I think. Yep. Gold punishes the trend traders most of the time. Well, that could be it, yeah. Well, I'm trying to get better at trading gold, so. But looks like gold is never going to be okay with StockTiger getting into gold trade, I guess. But I think gold is gonna ruin my day too. It almost kind of feels like that's what it's gonna try and do today, which is not okay. Are we gonna pierce through and just move higher? All right, gold man, do what you want to do. All right, just don't. Oh my god, look at that, guys. God. Gold really knows how to screw StockTiger, I think that's for sure. No, I trade a lot less gold, Dale. You guys know I don't trade as much gold, so that's one good thing, right? So I'm making some good progress, not trading gold, right? So that's fine. It's just that every time I get into gold trade, that I kind of like really slow down overall. Even then, I'm just not doing okay. Yeah, I mean, I just don't. Oh, man, this gold is just. I just want to punch this gold in the face, man. Seriously. Just want to, like. If this was actually a physical person, man. God, it really feels. Yeah. I wanna. Yeah, I wanna just. I don't explain this, but anyways. Oh my god. Oh, my arms kind of really hurting. All right, guys. Gold, are we gonna just pierce through and try to get back to like $10,000? That what it is on gold? All right, gold. Let's get to 10,000, bro. Let's do it, gold. I know you can do that, right? Or do you need me to do you need me to exit my trade so you can kind of get back to $10,000? If you want, I can do that. Just tell me. Like, talk instead of moving the candles. Let me know what you want. Jeez. God, I hate gold, man. I really do hate gold so much. It's not even funny. I hate gold. I hate gold, everybody. Yeah, man, I just hate gold so much. I wish there's a way.
Order filled.
Oh, I'm back in green. I think.
Order filled.
F you, gold. I can't believe I'm back in green. Take that. God, I hate gold so much, man. You guys have no idea. I hate it so much. Oh my god. I hate it. I hate it. Anyways, guys, you are in good shape. Perfect play. How's it going? How's the snow treating you in Ontario? It should come down here. Yeah, screw gold, guys. Let's just dump this gold forever now. Bring it down all the way back to 1,000. Gold does not even deserve my attention to begin with. Bring it down. Alright, let's take a look at the top step here. I just want to take a look and see if they've updated their freaking dashboard, man. Getting a bit annoyed. Oh my god, I cannot still request a payout. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to send them an email. I guess that's what it is. Yeah, I don't know, man. It's weird because they updated today, but they updated the last one they updated was when I made $80 and I still needed $60 more, right? And that $60 portion that I made extra, that's the only thing that's not updated, right? So that's why it's not showing on the payout section. It's weird.
Order filled.
It's weird that the last piece, the last $50 that I needed to make, it's the only one that it's not updated now. It's weird. I hate it. Yeah, I know, it's so sad. Tried to trade crude oil. Oh my god, man. Yeah, crude oil is the worst. I'm telling you. For me, it's like crude oil is the worst. And what's even worse, Bitcoin futures. And then gold is not like it's not far off. I just hate this so much, and I still keep trading. But I don't trade as much though. Like I really kind of like slowed down in trading gold, so that's really good. So I'm not like, you know, it's not like, you know, I take a look at the gold and I'm like, okay, well, I've got to get into a trade. I don't do that anymore. It was, you know, it's no longer like that. So let's just give a take. I trade probably about 4 or 5 times in a given week at most, while I'm trading like 2,000 trades on NQ. You know what I mean? So it's not even close. So yeah, I mean, overall, I'm kind of grateful that I've really found a way to slow down trading gold. So that's good. It's a good start. And that put me in a really good spot to not trade gold anymore during 2026. Like I said again earlier, that my goal for the rest of this year is to kind of like really try to slow down in trading gold. And that's it. I'm in gold trade now with I had 10 micros and I kind of feel like these all got filled. Yeah. So I'm gonna exit this trade now, I think. And forget about gold, man. This gold is not even that does not deserve my attention for sure. All right, we are getting a little bit of a bounce back up again, guys, on the NQ. So So let's take a look. 1 second, guys. 1 second, guys. By the way, thank you guys for being here today. Love you guys, man. Seriously. I mean, every day of being here with us and smashing the like, guys, as well every day. Thank you so mucho gracias, everybody. All right, so I'm in no open position now. I'm completely closed. All my trades are closed now. And I'm going to be looking to get into a trade with NQ. I'm just not really sure what this NQ is going to do, though, right? We're kind of like in that no man's land now again, back again. We got a rejection off that high, the pivot. And the lower end of the trend line also got a bounce off that level too. So I'm like, you know what? We are right in the middle. I'm going to have to look for a little bit of an extended move, either direction. And that's what I'm going to try to hop on a trade again. Yeah, I mean, right, this is on a 30 minutes chart, but 30 minutes chart kind of tells me that we may get a little bounce back into, I still kind of feel like, you know, we get a bounce back into, I think eventually this market's going to try to test $25,000. I don't know what you guys think. I think this market's trying to look for the $25,000 retest. I think that's what it's trying to do. Fiber splice goal, just finishing work, driving to the ferry, then gonna smack some trades. Does the network okay? Network's okay. Why do you trade both sessions? Why do I trade both New York and Asia, Globex Asia? I mean, Globex Asia is it's kind of really hard to be in a real trade, right? I mean, let's just be real, right? It's hard to make real good trades during Globex Asia because the market does not give, it's not presenting you with that sort of an opportunity, right? And usually, I mean, Globex Asia futures is really hard to trade. Very fragile, no volume, right? There's no pattern. Like I said again, it's like a rubber band. What goes up goes down kind of thing, unless you get a trendy day. But again, it's not easy. It's really slow as well. The pace, the way it moves, the pace of the movement is really, really slow. So it's kind of like difficult for a trader like me. So I trade both New York and of course Globex Asia, but with the kind of a pace that I need New York, right? So bulk of my trades, bulk of my profits that I make are usually New York, right? And I want to share that journey obviously with my fellow traders, because that's where obviously I have a proven track record of good trades and good profits that lead to more payouts, right? It's hard to show that during Globex Asia, right? Yeah, so I don't want my streaming to be like a little kids show, right? I want to be able to show you guys the real trades, the real good trades, real P&Ls, really good stuff happening all during New York that I get paid, right? It's hard to make that kind of a trades during Globex Asia. I mean, sometimes you're gonna have a nice little trade day, but I've got to get a lot more aggressive to try and make some profits, right? And usually when I get into losing trade during Globex Asia is because I'm a little more aggressive, and I'm a little more aggressive during Globex Asia, of course, because I'm trying to make more profits, right? Because it's a lot more choppier. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for being here, and that's why I go live during New York, right? Like I don't want to be sharing my P&L, for example, like, oh, I made $5,000, but I've never really shown you anything during New York trades. You know what I mean? I don't want to be that kind of a trader, right? All right, guys. We again we got a rejection of that pivot there, 930, 940, and again 950. So we keep getting rejection off that level now. So let's see. It's weird. Scalp, what up, man? Chris, good afternoon. Thank you guys for being here. Globex Asia, guys. You guys know I go live every day during Globex Asia at 3:30 p.m. Eastern time. Sorry, 5:30 p.m. Eastern time. And plus a bonus New York live streaming as well, 2-3 times a week. Usually at about 11 o'clock in the morning Eastern time. FYI, just make sure to subscribe to this channel. Make sure to subscribe on to my main channel as well, and do not forget to smack the like, guys. We will do our giveaway call out here today at about 180 likes, and that's going to be our Take Profit Trader 50K account with no activation fee. If you win that prize, we'll do it right here tonight, guys. Let's not forget to smack the like, guys. Thank you so much. I mean, I trade full time, like using my phone, using my tablet, using my my office, a laptop. I trade all over the place. Like everywhere I go, I'm like, I've got a trade set up. So a lot of cases I use my phone to trade. So if you, I don't know what's the criteria as a full-time trader. If you mean I trade all the time, and if that's considered as a full-time, then yes, absolutely. Is Tokyo's open now? 6 minutes past Tokyo, guys. Tokyo's already open now. Tokyo's already open. Yes, of course. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, I have other stuff going on. So if that is the case, yeah, I'm not a full time. Yeah, I got other stuff going on during the day, and that's why I can't go live as much as I love to, right? You just smacked the like just in right, man. Thank you so much, man. A little late, but it's okay. I forgive you. Funding ticks, yes. I'm having a little bit of trouble. Yeah, funding ticks. I'm having a little bit of trouble because I've got one of my funded account on my funding ticks. I've got $55,000 of profit. Sorry, $5,500 of profit, but that's not getting updated. So yeah, there's definitely a little bit of a problem. There is. When you are not streaming, what YouTube channel do you watch? That's a really good question, Rami. When you are not streaming, what YouTube channel you watch? That's a pretty interesting question. I don't watch any other streamers. Not anymore. I used to a little bit, but not anymore though. I listen to music more often than not, to be quite honest with you. Music, you know, music or let's say, you know, I like watching, for example, not the streamer, but like, for example, Financial Education, for example, you know, that guy, Financial Education. I like watching his videos, right? To kind of gauge, we have a lot of similarities. I mean, obviously he's a much stronger analyst, but I like watching his videos, right? To kind of gauge what is in his mind, right? Yeah, and then news. I watch a lot of Korean news, like a lot of Korean news, and then a lot of music too. And that's it. nothing much. Got a lot of other stuff going on during the day. Don't really have a lot of time to watch anything, to be honest. But yeah, when I get a chance, that's what I do. Yeah, notice Funding Ticks dashboard is way behind. Yeah, their dashboard is kind of their dashboard only not updated today. But the thing is, though, their the onboarding, if you will, the onboarding is really slow because onboarding I had it a day ago. So they're still onboarding now. So I'm like, what the F is going on right now? Yeah. Place a trade on a Funding Ticks and close it so dashboard will update. Yeah, Sheng Fang. Naruto? Who's Naruto? Do you like Naruto? Their dashboard also said it's going to take over 40 hours to finish onboarding. Onboarding usually take about a day. Guys, man, I kind of like this to the upside, to be honest, man. I kind of feel, you know, we're trying to retest this level over and over again, right? So I don't know. I want to pull back here into the 915 area. I'm gonna try and go long again. I'm actually gonna place my order now. All right, so here I am, guys. I'm gonna place my limit orders now. Let's see what happens. Have you tried to do that? My dashboard was behind too. Really? All right, 1 second, guys. I'm gonna try and hop onto my
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
Just 1 second, guys.
Order
I'm trying
submitted.
to. Oh my god, man! It's not even getting filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Oh my god! Am I gonna actually blow an account? It was just a little bit of a test drive here, and then I am down quite a lot. $15.
Order filled.
Are you? Jesus. You guys see that? You guys see that? No, I obviously did not blow an account, but I was, well, I wanted to see if by getting into a trade and exiting my trade will see the dashboard
Order
get updated,
filled.
but look at this dumpage now, pissed me off. Now I can't even get exit the street because I'm down. Oh, don't tell me you're gonna actually dump now, brother. Don't even try to do that. All right, once again, I'm just gonna exit this trade. Whatever.
Order
I'm down
filled.
$50. It's okay. I made $5,000 on this account in the last few days, so I'm okay to give $50. But I wanted to do this because I wanted to test. Somebody was mentioning that the Funding Ticks dashboard is gonna update if you get into a trade now. Let me just see, guys. I'm gonna take a look at it right now. They don't update their accounts live, by the way, right? So yeah, I mean their accounts, their status is not updated at all right now. I think the last time they updated this was like in the morning today, so I don't think it's updating. Yeah, I don't even think they updated. That's Guys, 1 second, guys. I'm just gonna go to the washroom. I'll be right back in a few minutes.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Alright, guys. I flipped to short. I flipped to short, guys. That's a big fat rejection of that level. Look at this pullback now. It's moving, guys.
Order
Alright, guys.
filled.
I'm
Order
down to 10
filled.
contracts now in this trade. Target 882 now.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm down
Order
to
filled.
5 contracts here.
Order filled.
Yeah, I know. What a timing, man. Chris EW, man. Look at that timing. Oh my god. I didn't realize that we were pulling back here until I actually came back to my desk. Made $300 on the dump. Really good stuff, man. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys. We are going to do our giveaway call out in a few minutes, and do not forget to type in the exclamation tiger if you guys want to give yourself a chance to participate on a trade, or on a not trade, on a giveaway. Do not try to chase when I close my entry, guys.
Order
All right,
filled.
guys, we are getting a little pullback here, damn, which is, I guess, I don't know, it's good and bad. Look at this pullback here, guys, back into 877. If we can't hold this, I think we go all the way back down to the 800 area, guys. This is gonna be a big, fat, nasty looking chart. Oh my god. The real mochaccino is here. Let's see.
Order filled.
Look,
Order
I'm
filled.
up to 11 contracts, guys. I'm looking for that flush now. Let's see if we get it, guys.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
All right, guys, exited my trade.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
All right, guys, I went short again. I've got 8 contracts here down. I'm gonna be looking for a pullback into the 840s. Before everything is said and done, I think I'm still looking for a pullback down to the 840s, guys.
Order submitted.
I'm gonna be placing my limit orders.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I'm gonna have my hard stop here, right in that this area,
Order
guys.
submitted.
885 is my hard stop on 5 contracts, okay? And then I don't know. 885. Yeah, I think that kind of makes sense for me. That's a bit of a tight stop there, but it's okay. All right, guys, let's see if this market has what it takes to get a bounce, or we just flush down, right? One of the two, it's gonna have to decide what it wants to do. If flush down, I think this thing could go pretty hard. We're gonna try to bounce 895 and maybe get a rejection of that level, right? I don't know. I'm gonna actually move my hard stop here back into the 895, guys.
Order submitted.
I'm gonna place my hard stop
Order
there in that
submitted.
range.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
We'll see. I mean, we could get a bounce, of course. I don't know. We'll see. You know what? Let me just get rid of this hard stop.
Order canceled.
Yeah, I got rid of the stop because, you know, it probably have a good potential to kind of stop me out and get a rejection, right? If I was in this trade, I would have technically been stopped out, right? And that's the thing that I'm trying to be a little careful. So let's see. Now I've got this level here, 895, as an area of a major level of resistance. So if we try to curl back up again from here, then I'm gonna have to exit my trade. Yeah, we're trying to get a bounce back up again, guys. I don't know. It does look like it wants to get a little bounce back up. Still, man.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
order
Order filled.
order
Order filled.
All right, let's see if that kind of plays out. We got a first leg down from that 940 all the way back into the 863. That's literally about 100 points pullback there. We got a little bit of a bounce. Now let's see if we get another leg here down back into the 830. I'm looking for rejection here in this 900 area. If we get a bounce though, then I think the trend is gonna change obviously to the upside. I'm gonna be looking for a little bit of a not a little bit. I'm looking for that rejection here. I don't know. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be getting that. So this is gonna be a very, very important level now. If we pierce through this to the upside, then of course, then I'm capito. But if we get a rejection there and pull back into the 875, we have a chance of a pullback all the way back down to like 830s, 820, right? So StockTiger in a capito mode. Let's see. Yeah, this is definitely getting very interesting, guys. We are like all the EMAs are kind of like falling in this area now, 890 zone. Yeah. We'll see how this thing eventually play out. Let's see if we get another leg to the downside, right? We talked about this over and over again. Let's see if it plays out. Let's see if we get another leg to the downside, or we try to get a bounce and call back up again and retest the high. In one of the two, guys. I'm cautiously leaning for another leg to the downside, back down into the 820, but again, I could be wrong. I mean, like Globex Asia, it never really truly gave us that clean move anyways, so we'll see. I'm patiently waiting for something to kind of play out. All right, guys, I'm going to take some profits off the table here.
Order filled.
As we are
Order
getting that kind of a pullback here, I'm going to be down to 10 contracts, guys. I'm down to 10 contracts. All right, guys, I'm down to 10 contracts. Let's see what happens now. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys, everybody. Alright guys, man, are we going to witness another leg to the downside? That's going to be amazing, guys. What a nice, beautiful trade if this turned out to be a flush down. Just have to be a little patient to kind of let this thing play out. Could be, guys, could be. We could see this thing roll over back into the 820s, 830s area. That's obviously where all my limit orders are kind of set and ready to get filled. We'll see, guys. We had a beautiful leg to the downside. One, we'll see another one down. If this pulls back, it's going to be a beautiful trade, guys. A beautiful trade idea. And we got really aggressive at a perfect area too, so we'll see, guys. I'm trying to be a little patient here on this trade. I may take some profits off. Well, maybe, you know. Yeah, I've never been this patient. There's a gap on a 5 minutes on MNQ. All right, guys, we are pulling back here. If this plays out, what an amazing trade, guys. What an amazing trade. It doesn't get any better than this, guys. What a beautiful trade execution, right? We took a stab with larger contract size at a perfect time. Wow. And I flipped to short, by the way, on that pullback, initial pullback that we actually had in that 920 area. Obviously, I was in the wash time. I came back and the market started to pull back. But I quickly flipped to short. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Trying to be as patient as we possibly could. Now, if we get a bounce back into my entry, I'm gonna probably end up exiting this trade.
Order
I'm gonna
submitted.
take one off the table here if I can. I was trying to hold. I'm trying to hold the 865, which is fine. Let's see if we get a bounce or we get another leg, guys. We just really have to crack underneath the 860 area to really truly give us a chance of a flush down. I'm probably gonna have my hard stop here at 890 to 895. So you get a bounce back into that level, I'm gonna exit this trade. 890 to 895. We'll see. We'll see. We may get a hold on one second, guys.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and peel some profits off the table on an initial pullback here down into the 865. We'll see you get a pullback now. Thank you everybody for being here once again. Love you guys. Mwah.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Let's see, get a flush down, guys. I'm down to how many contracts?
Order.
Order
Yeah, I'm
filled.
down to 8 now. I'm down to 8 contracts, guys. It looks like we are getting a flush down. Maybe. Still, we still have a chance of a bounce.
Order filled.
But I think this market is not willing to get a bounce. Wow, are we actually gonna get another leg?
Order
Is that what it
Order
is,
filled.
guys? Oh my god, look at that play out. Beautiful. Love you guys, man. Beautiful. What a trade. Incredible, guys.
Order filled.
Order
You guys
filled.
are the biggest mochaccino traders. Awesome, guys. Great stuff, man. Look at that. Holy. Oh man, look at that trade, guys. I hope you guys, all of you, got that. I have all of you caught that move to the downside. That was definitely an incredible push. Another leg to the downside really kind of worked out nicely. So
Order
Order filled.
wow, guys, what a perfection. What a perfection. What perfection, guys. Well, I guess I didn't really kind of have to force myself. The trade actually just played out on its own without even me having to kind of like
Order
Order filled.
push.
Order
Order filled.
All right,
Order
there we go,
canceled.
man. Nice little trade there. I've got 2 contracts now. Let's try to look at Dr. Phenom. I don't know what this means though, Phenom. I don't know, like, you know, your chart looks great. I really appreciate that, but I don't know what to kind of make out though. I'm not sure. I'm trying to understand, like, I'm trying to, yeah, I've got to find a way to kind of educate myself, you know, to better understand what this is trying to convey. Well, obviously you got a nice little support area here. I can see that. That's a major level of support in the 860, 850 zone. But we actually ended up pulling back here, back into the 845. So what does that mean? You know what I mean? So I'm not sure. All right, guys. Guys, by the way, do not forget to smack the like, guys. Thank you, guys. God, man, Top Step is not updating their dashboard, guys. I'm pissed. I've got to send an email and do some little bit of complaining. I've got to do a lot of complaining, guys. A lot of complaining. How the heck is your dashboard not getting updated for the payouts? I need my payout now. I need my payout now. Yeah, I mean, good stuff, man. Good stuff. Good trade. I mean, I really like what I did here on this trade, guys. The execution was picture perfect, right? Everything was great about this trade, right? I did everything I liked about this trade, guys. Man, look at this. Look at this spider web, guys. I'm starting to really like this spider web, by the way, guys. Look, I showed it here. I showed it here, here, here. And I took my profits here, 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 here. We got a bounce. And I enter short here again. And then we took our profit down here at the low. Oh my god, man. This can't get any better, guys. What a perfect trade. I love you guys. I hope you guys did really well too on this trade. I hope none of you faded StockTiger. Ah, I can smell a lot of fading today. Just kidding. Yeah, well, that was super trade. Anyways, guys, we're gonna have to move on, right? We're gonna have to move on. That was a good trade. I think we have a good start today. I'm gonna exit. I'm gonna take my final take profit right here, guys. All right, I exited my final take profit there, guys. I took my final take profit. We seem to get some kind of a bounce here at 840. So I'm gonna have to let this kind of play out. I'm gonna move on to something else now. Yeah, I'm not sure. 1 second, guys. Oh man, I don't know if this pullback is over yet though, right? That's the problem. So I can't just blindly go long either. You know what I mean? As much as I love to go long, I don't know if this pullback is over yet. And that's the problem. And that was a problem. That was a problem, everybody. That was a problem. That was a problem. If I don't know, by the way. Blue an account? Blue what account? Not trading any other account. Not trading any account. It's probably maybe past or something else. Not blown any account today. All right, guys, this is what I was kind of talking about, right? So I don't know if this pullback is over yet. Ooh. So is today kind of like setting a tone for how this market is going to be tomorrow? Today's a little bit of a difficult one. I don't know. I'm still not kind of sold in the thesis that we are going to see another low tomorrow just yet. Let's go back to the 1 hour chart. We got a major level of support here, guys, sitting in that 24,000. Well, I guess we may try to end up getting a pullback here tomorrow too. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we do that, right? Well, that's a big, fat looking, ugly, nasty, I don't know what you guys want to call it, but nasty looking a daily chart, guys. Look at that, wicks all over the place. Well, we have a major level of support here. I would say in that 600, right? 620 area. So 620 here is obviously gonna be the level to kind of watch tomorrow. And then we've got another one here back down into here, right? So there's another one. So yeah. So we could see, man, I don't know. It's we could try to overshoot it down and try to get back into 600 area. Maybe get another 200 points move to the downside tomorrow. It does look pretty bearish though on a daily chart too, right? I don't know. It's kind of weird looking chart too. But yeah, I mean, it's let's just go back to the 30 minutes chart. So we are here 30 minutes chart, and of course, like I said again, probably 750 and 600 is probably an area that we may try to get pulled back into. I personally, I thought we'd try to retest the $25,000 before we try to get a pullback here, but if this is how it's gonna be, and this market really wants to get a little pullback here before we try to get a bounce back up again, then. But I mean, today was a nasty, yeah, look at that, guys, man. This is today, right? This is today. Early in the morning, we had a pullback all the way back down to $25,000, and we had a 250 points bounce, and a 250 points pullback, and another 250 points up, and another big, fat, nasty sell-off towards the power hour. Incredible. Anyways, guys, I think we are continuously getting a pullback here now. All right, guys, I'm gonna close the my entries here. All right, guys, the giveaway, the raffle entry is over. I am not going to reopen this. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys. I thank you guys for doing that every day. Really appreciative, and thank you guys. It means truly a world for the stream, so thank you guys. And of course, obviously, I thank you guys for being here as well. Now we're back into the giveaway time, guys. I hope you all have a great time. I'm gonna have to call out the winner. This is going to be our Take Profit Twitter 50K account giveaway. By the way, do not forget, if you win the prize, there's no activation. If you pass this account, you do not have to pay for an activation. Okay, just keep that in perspective, and good luck, everybody, if you guys are here participating on this account giveaway now. Guys, I gave you guys all day to type in !Tiger, and now as soon as I close the entries, you guys are typing in Tiger. I don't understand, guys. Is that purposely done to kind of like get everybody annoyed? Which is fine, it's up to you guys, but just saying, do not forget. All right, guys. Good luck, everybody. I'm gonna pick the winner now. This is gonna be a big one, guys. 5% luck, nah. All right, guys. Good luck. Joyce Fernandez. Joyce Fernandez. Guys, Joyce Fernando, are you here? Are you here? I'm gonna put a stopper here, right? Joyce here, are you here? Let me know if you are. I don't think Joyce is here, guys. I think Joyce isn't here. He's not there. All right. I don't think he is. Yeah, we're gonna have to do it again now, I think. He's not here. Oh, he's here, sorry. She or he. She is here. She or he is here. She or he or them or Joyce is here. Okay, so Joyce, I'm gonna have to have you DM me once the streaming is over, right? I'm gonna have to have you DM me on our Discord, okay? You make sure you verify that's you though, right? Make sure you're able to verify. All right, so that's good. Congrats to the winner, Joyce Fernandez. You are the winner. You are the biggest champion here tonight, guys. TPT, Tech Profit Twitter 50k account giveaway goes to Joyce Fernandez. And I'm gonna have to have you DM me right after the stream is over and this market's trying to get a bounce right now, guys. We are back into the trading action. We got a nice little reversal pattern here. Bullish hammer. I'm gonna try and long here, guys. I'm gonna try and long here.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
I kind of like it for a bounce back into 887, guys.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
All right, guys.
Order
Once again, I'll
filled.
exit
Order
this trade.
filled.
I'll exit this trade once again,
Order
guys.
submitted. Order submitted.
I just want to make sure, you know,
Order submitted.
we have a tendency to get a pullback here.
Order submitted.
Usually, when you get this kind of a move to the upside, you get a little bit of a
Order.
pullback
Order
down
filled.
into the support area,
Order.
and this is
Order
exactly
filled.
the reason why I exited that trade and I re-entered now.
Order.
Back into
Order
this trade.
filled.
I
Order.
like to see
Order
my
filled.
average kind of fall in that 860 zone. Oh my god, look at this pullback here now.
Order.
Alright, guys,
Order
now I'm gonna
filled.
re-enter.
Order.
Order filled.
Oh no, one sec. We have to hold this now, 860. 860 or 860 or 865 area. Alright guys, we are kind of holding. We'll see guys if we can actually push now. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this wonky price action. I still like it for a little bit of a bounce back into the 890 zone. Just one second. Discord link. I'll share it again. I'll share it again, guys. Discord link here. One moment. That's my Discord link. Sounds like an yeah. Alright guys, that's a nice little bounce that we actually ended up getting off that 830. I don't know. I'm gonna try and hold this, guys. Leaning more for a bounce back into the 890 or 900 area. We'll see, guys, if we could actually do that. Might take profit at the VWAP. God, man, I hate taking a look at the gold. I hate looking at the gold, guys. Look at the gold, please. Like, let's see if we get a nice little pop here
Order
back
submitted.
into the
Order
VWAP.
submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yeah, so I've got my limit orders placed between where we are now back into the VWAP. So, and I've got 10 micro contracts. I mean, overall, not a bad trade today. I think it was a pretty nice, clean trades. So I think
Order
I'm gonna have a
filled.
good day tomorrow for sure, based off based off how I traded today. I think we're gonna have a good day tomorrow. I think so. I've just got to be a little bit careful in. Got to really try to find a way to downsize my trade, because this volatility is unreal, right? We are getting like 200-300 points moved to the up and down.
Order.
And
Order
the one thing I'm
filled.
gonna have to do is place a hard stop tomorrow, right? I think it's
Order.
really important
Order
that I
filled.
place my hard stop.
Order.
Order filled.
Hey, not a bad trade, guys. After all, we are getting a nice little pop here, which is great.
Order.
Order filled.
I'm down to 4 contracts now, guys. And this market's trying to get a bounce back into the VWAP. And maybe we try to get a bounce back into 904. Holy mochaccino. This is unreal.
Order.
Order filled.
All right, guys. I've got, yeah. I mean, I don't have a TP. I don't have an SL. We'll see. We'll see what this market does, guys, from here onwards. Definitely gonna get very interesting. Definitely very interesting. Yeah, I've got 3 contracts now. Jonathan, okay, guys, man, we gotta read what Jonathan just said. Made $70,000 with gold during the most bullish time, which obviously I agree, and gave it all back with that big dump that it had. Give it all back, bro. Jonathan. No, I feel bad from what I just heard. And that's man, that I know a lot of traders made a lot of money doing that pump. And I was obviously still at denial. And I wasn't trading gold when everybody was like smoking, banking, trading gold. And I was like, you know, nah. Throughout the entire process of a gold trying to get a bounce. And yeah, I mean, I feel, I'm sorry to hear that, man. I mean, taking 70k and like giving back 70k like on a way back down, that's, yeah, it's that's the thing, right? It's really hard to kind of, it's really hard to kind of walk away. That's the problem. That's like a yearly wedge. Yeah, I mean, for a lot of traders, well, not a lot of traders, I mean, a lot of people, it's definitely, that's a lot of money. That's a lot of money, man. We still have quite a few traders on our Discord, by the way, trading for like $30,000-$40,000 trading gold. So it's not, yeah, it's crazy. I mean, yeah, I mean, I'm really sorry to hear that, though. All right, so I'm with 2 micros now. Let's see, I probably end up getting 5 5 pro accounts pretty soon here. Yeah, I've got yeah, probably have 5 pro accounts very soon, just based off how it's been so far. So that's good. So I guess I still have a chance of a daily payout. Or I guess I'm gonna exit this trade right here.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Yeah, I still have a chance of a daily payout, which is great. Gail Hermes, StockTiger, I still can't DM you on Discord. Errors, we don't share servers, so you just cannot accept. Like what do you need, Gail Hermes? Like, is there something that you want to talk about? Just not sure. I'm not sure. Can you type your stuff on the main chat and let me just take a look and see. You won on Friday. You won on Friday. Oh. What did you win? What's Friday? That was on 14th. No, I mean, what account did you win though? I mean, I can just obviously just go take a look at myself, but I mean, all right, guys. So we are getting a little pullback here down. It looks like a, I don't know, I mean, it does not look like it wants to hold, to be honest. Yeah, I mean, 1 second, guys. Let's see if we can hold this for 865. If you break it down, I think we have a follow through here back into the 830s. I want to see a lot of retests, guys. You know, instead of trying to get into trade very quickly, I want to see this price action kind of retest a few times, right? And then take a stab. All right, so here we are, guys, 865. Right, I want to see a breakdown of this 865 and try to retest the 865 again and kind of fail, right? And that kind of gives me a little bit of a conviction there for extended move to the downside. Justin Wright taking that $1,000 payout from TechFile Trader. Oh my god, Justin Wright, man, you are the Superman. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. All right, guys, we are pulling back here, guys.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Oh my god, look at that. What was that? Oh, it's a new hour now. Oh my god, guys, it's a new hour. I completely forgot about that. Jeez. Oh my god, man, I'm in trouble now. What a perfect timing, man. What a perfect timing. I completely forgot it's a new hour. Yeah. Oh, we're not in real trouble, but I mean, it's a new candle too, kind of formed. Yeah, it's a new 1 hour candle that formed too, so I don't know. Not a bit of a mistake on my part, right? So yeah.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
We'll see if we can actually hold or we get a pullback here, guys.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order
We'll see.
submitted.
I mean, we
Order
could just
submitted.
literally get a bounce,
Order submitted.
for all you know, but
Order submitted.
wow, look at that bounce, guys. Oh my fucking god, look at that nasty bounce. I freaking hate that, guys. I really hate that. Because number one, I did not see that coming. That the new 1 hour candle kind of formed. Jeez, I'm exit that
Order
trade.
filled.
Fuck,
Order
man,
filled.
that was so stupid from my end. That was definitely very stupid from my part. Yeah.
Order.
Order filled.
Order
I'm gonna have a
submitted.
hard stop
Order
here in this
submitted.
area.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Are we actually gonna pull back here? Oh my fucking! You gotta be kidding.
Order.
Stop filled. Order filled.
Oh my god, guys, man. Now I'm getting freaking annoyed. Are you freaking real? Like, are you joking? Yeah, I guess it's that time of the day. It's just gonna chop around. Maybe you're right. This could definitely do that. Yeah. But I don't understand what the heck this. Look at this. That's like 30 points. Like this Globex Asia, guys. We are trading Globex Asia. You're seeing these 30 points like up down, like as if never really in a matter of like 10 minutes, not even 10 minutes, guys. Actually, you know what? In 2 minutes, 30 points up down in 2 minutes. Incredible. Oh my god. Oh my god. You've got to be kidding me, guys. What is up with gold? Oh man, this NQ really pissed me off, everybody. It's pissing me off even more than gold now. I don't know if I want to be. Well, the gold is tough to trade. I'm gonna walk away from gold for sure, man. Look at this balance in this freaking. God damn it. Ah, it's gonna go without me now. Damn it. Ah. God, man, I don't know, man. It's annoying. Yeah, this price action right now that we're just getting right here, I'm freaking annoyed. Very annoying. Very, very annoying. It is so annoying, it's not even funny anymore. Oh my god. Oh no. Ugh. Anyways, guys, refresh your mind, StockTiger. Now let's see if this funding ticks actually updated their dashboard. Well, their dashboard isn't updated just yet. They're still the same. And then let's take a look at the top step, man. Guys, man, I've got quite a few payouts coming in, but I can't request a payout because their dashboard's not updating. Oh, okay, so top step dashboard is updated. Their dashboard is updated, but I cannot request a payout. Right? I wonder what the reason is. I don't know. I can't request a payout, guys. I don't know why. So, it's weird. It's weird. Yeah, I mean, I don't think there's anything confidential here, so I'm just gonna show you guys, right? I'm just gonna show you guys. Just take a look. So this account here, I've got 54.46. That's the total balance that I have here, right? So that's the total amount that I've got, right? So, and then if you just go back down, it's got 10 days now. It's got 10 days, but when you go to the payout section, it doesn't take you to it doesn't have that account. So that's weird. You know what I mean? I don't know if you guys are getting what I'm trying to say. So it's got 10 days now, and I wonder why it's not showing me. Like usually they would, but not today. It takes more time, but I mean, you guys understand. I showed you guys the dashboard, and the dashboard has got an updated balance. Their dashboard, the balance dashboard is updated. So you see what I mean? Sometimes it takes time to get updated. Okay, well, I guess I can wait, but I mean, not the end of the world. Yeah, usually it's supposed to be instant, and that's what I usually get, but not right now. The account balance is kind of updated. I see the total balance amount, and I've got 10 days of trading, so that's 5 days. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, also the funding ticks dashboard not updated. I've got over $5,000, $5,400 of profit that I made. But on their dashboard, funding tick shows me $3,000. So today's profit that I made over 2,500 does not appear. So that's, God, man, these firms are all taking so much time to freaking do their when they need your money, they're like right now, you know what I mean? But when it's time to update the P&L and the payout section, it's really freaking slow sometimes, really annoying. That's the thing that really kind of starting to bother me a little bit. I kind of feel like a lot of these firms are, you know, anyways. 908 now. I wonder what this is gonna do. We're hitting that EMA here, 904. I wonder if we are gonna pierce through this and try to get a bounce back up again. I think we do. I kind of like an idea to retest 954 now. That we actually got a nice little bounce off that low, 830. Maybe the low is in. But again, this thing could just literally just pull back all the back into 880 like as if nothing really happened. So a bit annoying, but yeah, I'm a little annoyed with this poo-poo price action that we actually got here. And that was a nasty bounce and a pullback. God, it's so annoying. Alright guys, I'm gonna try and go long here, but I wonder if we are gonna get rejection here though. Let's see, we got a big fat EMA here waiting, kind of like waiting in that 908. So we really have to kind of pierce through this to give us a little chance of a bounce back into the 950. That's another 40 points away from where we are now. So yeah, Lucid is good, but they're I don't know, man. I'm still, God, man, Lucid pissed me off, I'll be honest, dude. I mean, I was kind of waiting for their Lucid 50k, sorry, the 150k promo, and they only ended up doing promo for 25 and the 50ks, like, you know what I mean? I'm like, what the heck are you trying to do, man? I've never seen anybody who does promo on like certain accounts. I've never seen anyone does that. You know what I mean? Like, why are you excluding 150k accounts? Like, what's the purpose? You know what I mean? I've never seen anyone do that ever. You know, even Tradify doesn't do that. So why the heck Lucid? You know, like, I don't know what the goal is. Maybe they try to, maybe if traders are actually doing really well with the 150ks, I guess, right? If it's not very popular, obviously they're gonna be a lot more aggressive in their promos, right, to try to get traders get those accounts. But it seems like it's popular, and maybe, you know, a lot of traders are taking a lot of payouts using the 150, so they're like, you know what, we want to try to stay away from we want to try to get traders stay away from 150ks and get them to 25k so they can end up blowing more accounts. Is that what it is? Like, no idea. I have no idea, man. But honestly, I definitely wasn't happy at all with what they've done. You know, I didn't like their execution of the promo this time around for sure. Oh, I think they already got the Black Friday sale now. I think that's what it is. Poking the tire, yeah. I think that's their Black Friday offer. No, I think that's a Black Friday. But the thing is that, you know what I mean, give everybody an equal chance. You know what I mean? You're gonna have a lot of traders trading 150Ks. I mean, I'm not a big fan of it, but we got a lot of traders on our Discord too trading 150K. So like, what I mean, you've got traders trading 50Ks, but then what about the 150s, right? Like, let's not try to be you know, choosy. You know, just if you want to do promo, just fucking do it right. This is where, you know, this is where we kind of start to lose credibility, and that's where I start to slowly move away. So these guys have to stop being careful in what they do, because I'm definitely not a happy camper with what I've done. Yeah, I mean, the 25Ks are good. It's cheap. The front end cost is a lot cheaper, but you can also end up losing that account pretty quickly too. And that's why, you know, I mean, the thing is, like, think about it, right? You're spending the time and energy to try and not just pass, right? To try to get to the funded account. So let's just say you got into a funded account. You still have to go through the same process with the same drawdown. But the fact that you could lose that account much faster does not change just because you went from eval to funded account, right? So your drawdown's not going to change either just because you moved from to the funded account. It's still going to be like $1,200 or something like that, right? And that's just not enough. And that's why you end up losing the 25Ks much faster. That's why, you know, you're spending the time and energy trying to pass and trying to get to the funded account and trying to get a payout. And just imagine if you end up losing your 25K account, right? Then you're gonna go back. You're gonna have to go back through the same process over and over again. It's crazy struggle. I don't know, man. That's the difficult thing. They should do 125Ks. I mean, if you cannot do it with 25K, a larger accounts ain't gonna matter. No, I don't agree with that. I don't agree with that. Because I've done 25Ks, I've done 50Ks, and I've done 150Ks. All right, guys, we are trying to get a bounce here. Let's see, 943. Oh, Trader Cat, you don't agree with me? What I just said? I don't remember what I said, but oh, I see. I think it's but I mean, hey, I've got nothing against Lucid. I love Lucid. You know, everything is good about Lucid. But the thing is, when you are making a promo, like, why do you have to make it for 2 accounts, like 25 and the 50Ks? You know what I mean? Why can't you do across the board? Like, what the, like what's the intention there? Traders are gonna start to think about, well, they're not doing promo on 150Ks because maybe they're losing a lot of money. You know what I mean? I don't understand why they are making traders start to have some speculative thinking. All right, so wow, what a bounce, man. This literally freaking took me out, shake me out, and obviously ended up getting a bounce. I'm so freaking annoyed. It's not funny. I was actually talking about, we were talking about Lucid. We weren't talking about Top Step. Top Step doesn't have any promos anyways, right? God, man, I swear to God, guys, man, this price action really pissed me off because, God, man, it ended up pulling back here into the 850s and literally got a bounce all the way back into 950. God, this is why trading is difficult. If I'm the only one doing this mistake, I'll be okay, but yeah. But really annoying the hell out of me on that pullback here, right? Stop me out, shake me out, and then rips. Like, how many points is this? This is really 100 points, guys. We just actually bounced 100 points, man. From 850 all the way back into 950. That's 100 points bounce. Incredible. I was, seems like price spend 200 non-realized DD. Trader Cat, you're thinking about using Lucid. I mean, me personally, I don't think Lucid is better than Take Profit Trader. I don't even think they're even near. In my opinion, in my humble opinion, I don't think so. But Lucid, once you get funded and once you're above the buffer, then yeah, I guess it's a great account to have, right? But I think accounts like Tradify and Lucid, you really have to get above the buffer. But to get above the buffer is what the challenge is because of the DLL, right? I don't know, man. Are we actually gonna get a bounce? Continue. Hold on, guys. I may try to go long here. God, man, I'm really pissed.
Order
Order
I kind of
filled.
feel like I'm chasing now. Freaking get a pullback here and it's gonna stop me out. I'm gonna get freaking annoyed. Oh my god. Stop
Order
it,
submitted.
StockTiger. It's so freaking annoying. Yeah, I'm gonna place a hard stop here. 933, man. Yeah, I just want to make sure if I get stopped out, if this actually end up getting a deeper pullback, then I prefer getting out of this trade early. I don't want to be holding a bag on this bad boy, so freaking annoyed. Yeah, absolutely. Waiting for a pullback into the EMA, of course. Usually it's the EMA or the channel support, the horizontal support levels, right? This is usually what I like to look at. You haven't taken a payout yet, CAR-T. You've been trading for so long. You took a long break, lost, and I just really want to take it out and make some of it back. Oh, CAR-T, man. You kind of remind me of me last year, right? Remind me of me last year. That's literally about 21 months ago, right? 21 months ago. Because 21 months ago, I've still been trading. 1 second, guys. 1 second. We're getting a pullback here now. Oh my god! Look at this. Damn. Yeah, I'm gonna exit this
Order
trade.
filled.
God, man. Oh my god. Damn. Damn. Yeah, I can't wait to see this funding ticks update their dashboard here. Absolutely. Let's take a look. Yeah, Top Step still not updated. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, what a wonky price action, man. This chop is unreal. $960 strong resistance reminder. I don't know, man. I don't know what to make out of this price action here. I kind of feel like, you know, still get a pullback here into the 910, but again, every pullback has been bought so far, so you know.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
All right, guys,
Order.
let's try
Order
to.
filled.
I'm trying to short this, guys. Maybe back down to the 920. That's
Order
fine. Take
submitted.
profit. I will exit this trade on a bounce back into
Order submitted.
right into the
Order
954s. Okay, that's where my stop is gonna be. Nothing much I can do now, right?
Order submitted.
We could
Order
also just
submitted.
literally get a bounce for all you know, to be honest.
Order submitted.
You know, so let's see, guys. Pull back into the VWAP is my my target. I mean,
Order
yeah,
submitted.
we've been just so choppy, right? So
Order submitted.
it looks like it's gonna break down, but of course,
Order filled.
Order
anything can
filled.
happen now. Keep an eye on this, guys. Yeah, NQ's been annoying all day. Not just Globex Asia. At least Globex Asia, I think, is trying to be kind. At least it's being kind. I think it's a lot much worse in the morning. Man, I was like freaking pissed. The whole morning, I was like, my phone was like all over. Bashing my phone against the wall all day in the morning. I get calls and I'm like, the guys are like, "Are you okay?" Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm just a little pissed. Somebody's pissing me off for sure today. Who is it pissing you off? Well, I can't say NQ. I should have just said NQ. Well, yeah. How's your day going? Yeah, somebody's really pissing me off today. But of course, I
Order
cannot say
Order
NQ
filled.
again. Usually it's NQ. Actually, no, I lied. Gold, and then NQ.
Order sub. Order.
Order
All right,
filled.
guys, we are pulling back a nice little trade here. If we can have a little bit of a follow through down into the VWAP, I'm gonna really like this. Just a little pullback into the VWAP, guys, man. That's really all I'm looking for now. Because I'm gonna try to take
Order
one more off
filled.
the table. I'm down to
Order.
down
Order
to 5
filled.
now, guys. I'm down to 5 contracts. Let's see if we can get a little pullback, guys. Little pullback. You can do
Order.
it,
Order
NQ.
filled.
You can do it, NQ, honey. You can do it. Just give me that little pullback down. You know you want to do that, right? Be nice, be nice.
Order canceled.
Alright, guys, we are getting that pullback now. Let's see. Let's see if we get a little follow through extension move. I'd like to see this thing get down into the VWAP and the retest of 890. And that's a bearish wick that we are getting here on a 30-minute chart, by the way. We're underneath the EMAs, a key level EMA support. So let's see if we can have a little bit of a lower high now. Breaking the structure and a pull back into the VWAP and then flush down into the 870s, guys. Let's see if we do it right now. I'm going to take one
Order
more off the
filled.
table,
Order filled.
guys, man.
Order canceled.
So here we go, guys, man. Here we go. We kind of found a bounce in from that 907. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna exit this trade right
Order.
now. I'm gonna exit
filled.
that trade, guys. I exited that trade. Well, not a bad trade. I've made, I think, $400 on that trade. Thankfully, this is back again.
Order.
Oh my
Order.
god, I have to
Order
re-enter
filled.
again. God,
Order
Piss me
submitted.
off.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
I re-entered, guys.
Order filled.
Re-entered. Oh well.
Order
I'm
canceled.
gonna place my hard stop
Order
here.
submitted.
830
Order
area.
submitted. Order submitted.
Let's see. Exited that trade.
Order filled.
1 hour chart. The candle. We just looks bullish back again. Wow, what a difficult price action to kind of read. All right, so wow, man, look at this wonky price action. Really driving me. Ooh, nothing much you can do though, right? Nothing much you can do, guys. We just have to go with the flow, I guess. Oh yeah. It's not showing maybe because it's negative $200. It's down. And that's why, I guess. Actually, you know what? Maybe I should. Is it? Hold on 1 second. There we go. Now it's showing. It was hidden in the corner, unfortunately. All right, guys, man. I need everything green today. So there is a Tradify account that I have a little over $10,000 of profit on it, but where I'm a little concerned about, like, I can't go live, you know what I mean? And that's the problem. And I think Tradify, after getting into the fourth payout, I think that's when you've got to move live, right? That's, man, I may have to move my place, man. Gotta probably move to where how about New York, the biggest and the largest. Funding takes dashboard updated? I don't think so. I don't think their dashboard is updated. Not at all. I don't think I still can't copy trade any of my accounts right now, to be honest. I just can't do that. I don't know. I just don't have the I don't know what it is. I just can't do it, unfortunately. Even if it's an eval account, I just can't. I don't know why, man. I wish I knew. I just don't feel comfortable copy trading. I find it difficult. And this chop is just crazy, guys, by the way, man. This unreal chop that we're getting right now, it's incredible. Justin Wright, Tiger, you might have to blow up your accounts on purpose so you don't go live. Tiger, you can move next to me. Oh, you might. Yeah, I mean, yeah, Justin Wright. Yeah, that could be a little bit of a hint, but that's the problem. I can't take a payout on my Tradify account either. So this account, I've got how much again? I've got total. I've got how much again? Total. Yeah, I've got 90. I've got a little. Oh, I thought it was over 10,000. So yeah, I thought it was over 10,000, but I guess it's not. So it's $9,600, right? a little over $9,600 of total profit that I actually have on this account right now as we speak. And I've been trading this account since September 23rd. Right, so I've been trading this since September 23rd. No, even after payout. This is after my payout. $9,600 after taking 3 payouts, right? Yeah, I had a few reds which obviously had a big damage, but then yeah, September, October, November. I'm just not sure what to do now. My P&L right now is at $9,600. That's what I have right now as I speak. Right, ending account balance here November 16 is 59,900. Actually, I have more. It's 59,900. Right, this total P&L here is a little less. Actually, I have 59,000, so $9,900, and that's what I have right now. And these dips are the payouts, right? These dips are payouts, I think, or maybe not. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, 59,900 is what I have, and I cannot request a payout because this is gonna be my 4th one. And that's gonna be like over $3,000 a payout, right? And I haven't been able to request a payout because, you know, I don't know what to do. The problem is I can't go live. Like even Take Profit Trader, after taking over $50,000 of payouts, we tried to go live twice, just couldn't do it. Toss that to the same thing. And yeah, and a few others. So I don't know, I'm a little there's definitely, I may have to move to where Justin Wright lives. Justin Wright lives in New York, I think, the biggest and the largest. Is my stream lagging, guys, by any chance? Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys. If you guys are new here, just got in now, don't forget to smack the like, guys. It takes a few seconds of your time and really truly means a lot for the stream. Thank you so much. Love you guys. Right, so here trying to see if I can actually get into some of the trades, but this market is definitely a little bit of a wing wong, not looking good, but we actually got a nice little pump over 920, so I don't know, maybe a bounce back into 950s. I think definitely doable. Sounds like you need a VPN. Oh yeah. Oh, it was for a second. Oh, thanks for letting me know, Jordan. I appreciate it, brother. Let's take a look at the main chat here on our Discord, by the way. Oh man, look at this. Adam kicking butt. Holy. Dan Ammons. That's setting up for what again? A pullback, a bounce. I think Dan Ammons looking for a little bounce back up again. Let's take a look at the P&L here. Scalpster, man. Oh my god. Copy trader, scalper. Banking on the Bullanox accounts, man. Bowser kicking ass with the 4 pros. It's coming up. Oh yeah. Oh my god, man. Look at this, man, guys. Holy. You've got to be kidding, guys. This is huge. Bowser making the move here. Scalper copy trading 4 accounts. He's definitely got the bulls. He's definitely got the bulls, right? You know what I mean? To copy trade 4 accounts at a time, and these are all very expensive accounts. Oh shit. Oh, sorry, it's not Bullanox. It's Lucid trader funded accounts, copy trading 4 accounts at the same time. Jeez, man. And that really needs a lot of bulls. $3,000 on a funded account. Funding ticks as well. Who is this person? That's Sculptor, man. Sculptor, man. He's got a lot of accounts. Including trade day. Nice, nice, guys. Good stuff, guys. Good stuff. Oh my god, we've got Dub requesting a payout. I wonder how much that is. It's hidden. I can't see how much that request is made. Dub here. How much that could be, I have no idea. We're gonna have to find out. We're gonna have to make some guess here. I'm guessing $8,000. JQ. Probably the top step payout coming in. Oh yeah, baby. Let's get that. $1,200 and $2,800, guys. Awesome. Good stuff, JQ. Lovely. 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 Good stuff. Total money in the house. Taking another. Oh my god, man. This is a 25k account. And he's got $16,000 of profit on this account. Man, I have no idea. You are so good. Anyways. Back into our trading action. Alright, so we are getting a little bit of a bounce. I wonder where this is gonna go. Oh my god. I wish that was my account. Sometimes I kind of like, okay, I wish that was mine. Guys, the giveaway's over. Giveaway's over, guys. Please. That's a huge profit, though. Yeah, I mean, we are getting a bounce here, guys. I really want. I'm so tempted to go long on this freaking thing right now, guys. I'm gonna long here.
Order filled.
Order filled.
I don't know, man. I'm just gonna go long. I know it's gonna pull back here just because StockTiger is long now. Watch this market do it. Do it for the stream right now. Just pull back here for StockTiger, right? Let's do it. You know you want to get a nice little pullback here. Let's go. Let's pull back. I mean, this price action is kind of wonky, guys. I don't really, quite honestly, I don't know if trading now at this time of the day is a good idea itself, right? We could do a lot of funky moves, man. For all you know, I've got 13 contracts now. I don't think I'm going to be adding any more, to be honest, yeah. If this thing freaking pulls back all the way back into the VWAP, you guys are never gonna see my phone ever again. You know what that means. Yeah, I think BTC has got, you know, I don't know if you guys saw me put a comment on the one of my friend. He's a good friend of mine and he's okay me sharing his screenshots, but he put $100,000 last year, right? And he was up like in a couple months ago. He was already up like twice, 100%. And now it's down about 30%. So literally lost about $30,000, right? He's still in profit overall, but I mean, he had 100% and he thought he could get to that 10,000% gain on the accounts that on equities that he has now. But he's lost 30%. Is really kind of shaking out. He's like, well, he's not sure if he wants to sell everything that he bought. He wants to sell everything that he bought, right? He want to keep everything cash. And I wonder if a lot of traders are actually thinking like that now, right? On his, yeah, he's got a personal account that, like, you know, I mean, he had his savings, right? He put his savings, $100,000 on his personal account, and he ended up buying a whole bunch of stocks. Those are all mid to small caps, and that's what he's bought, right? And he was at one point a few months ago, he was up 100%. So he put $100,000. He was up $200,000, and he thought he was going to be a millionaire in the next year or two. He thought he could really do it. He really had a belief in himself. But right now he's down about 32. I think now maybe he's down about 35% or 40%, but that's down a lot, right? And that too in matter of, I think, a week or two. So it's kind of going, okay, well, am I supposed to sell everything that he bought and just put everything into cash and just wait for maybe, I don't know, a much bigger pullback? But I'm pretty sure that a lot of traders are actually thinking like that now, right? And that's not good, because I think now what that means is the more traders and more, I guess, investors kind of think like that, guess what? This market's going to get a bounce, right? All the weak bulls are kind of like shaking out. He should only sell what Trump lives off his. Yeah. Oh, there's no way to get the 1,000% without at least one major pullback. Well, that's what he said. He's going to get 1,000%. Because it took him like 6 months to get to 100%. So he had a strong belief that 1,000% is definitely doable.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted.
Order filled.
All right, guys, we are getting a little bit of a bounce. Let's see if we can actually pierce through this area now. Man, guys, I'm gonna exit this trade.
Filled.
I exited that trade because we're hitting that ceiling, right? That's, to me, that's a major ceiling there. I don't know if we are gonna be able to pierce through that on a first attempt. Maybe you get a pullback first before you get a bounce, right? Yeah, so I think I've exited. Well, even if you get a bounce right now, I'm totally okay with it. If he wants to go without me, that's totally fine. But I do not want to see myself holding this, because we are right at the ceiling here. We could pierce through this and get above, but it wouldn't surprise me if we get a pullback as well. So I'm kind of like, okay, well, I'm better off to stay and watch this market do its thing, and give me a little bit of a pullback here before we try to reattempt to try to knock on that 960 again a little bit later. He did not buy the BTC. I think he bought a whole bunch of ETFs and something else. I honestly, I'm not even interested. There's a lot of traders, a lot of new traders come on board last year, and maybe a year or two. So fairly new to this trading journey, and they're already up like couple 100%, you know. And I don't blame them. The market, well, look at Nvidia, is up like 1,300%. I think in a year, right? So. All right, guys, we are getting that slow little grind, pull back here down. Let's see if we can actually hold this now. I wouldn't be surprised if we get a little bit of a steeper pullback here back into the maybe 920. I will try to go long here as well. What is that, Jonathan? What are you talking about? What is it? What is it, you? Corey the scalper, you passed? Let me just take a look at your Discord. Oh my god, this is scary, man. What the heck? Oh, what a beautiful looking chart, by the way. Cartita bro, man. Thanks for sharing that. Really like that, by the way. Good stuff. Thanks for sharing. Bowser, again, master account. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 straight days. The killer himself, Mr. Bowser in the house. And we got Sculptor, man. Sculptor, man, this is what you're talking about. I did share with everybody here. That's at $56,000 of total profit on your Bullinox account. That's crazy, man. That's like $6,000 of profit overall. That's sick. Yeah, you passed the I see you passed whole bunch of accounts with a lot of profits on your funded account too. That's great. Yeah, you're definitely doing a great job, man, Sculptor. You did talk about that. You did talk about how much accounts you've been losing lately, but it doesn't matter because you've taken so much money out. I think you're net profit by far, correct? I think you're probably easily twice as much payouts versus how much you spent, for sure, easily. Maybe not. Oh, you're a Sculptor. Oh, Scalster. I have no idea. And so now, guys, okay, so here we are at 941. I wonder what this market's gonna do now. I really want to try to hop on the long here, but yeah, it's kind of like, I kind of feel like we still, like, we could get a little bit of a falling knife, or mine a little falling knife, I guess, back into the 920 zone. Maybe back into the VWAP to the 900 area, right? So we got these two levels I'm kind of watching. I'll be surprised if we just pierce through and just get that bounce right now, right? I would honestly, hold on one second, guys. Yeah, I'm still looking for a little pullback down, I would say, back into 920 and 900 area. That's not you, NQ Sculptor? Man, I'm really confused with these names, man. Guys, my apologies. Guys, don't forget to smack the like. You got so much love, guys, I'm getting from my fellow traders. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. You know, it's my honor to be able to go live streaming in front of my fellow traders every day, guys. I thank you. It's blessing. You know, I'm not here to prove anything. You know, we're all here together. We are trying to share our trading journeys, and that's why I share, you know, my fellow traders, their trading journey as well on the payout section, on a P&L section, right? We are all trying to share our journeys together and celebrate if we've made, and try to help each other. Well, if you are kind of struggling, right? And this is why it's we are here in this together, right? This is what it's all about. And I'm trying my level best to give back to the community as well, guys. Don't forget, right? I do a lot of giveaways, as you guys know. All right, I'm not sure what this market's trying to do. As you guys know, we are in Globex ASIA. What does that mean? A weird price action session, right? That's what it's all about. So maybe we try to, it looks like a higher low to me, but looks like a higher low, and you know, they are trying to pierce through this 950 area, which is obviously a big level of resistance. Maybe you try to reattempt to try to pierce through that level a few times, and maybe get a rejection and get a pull back into the VWAP, and maybe finally we try to pierce through that tomorrow morning. So maybe tonight it may be a little bit of a grind down, 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 right? Try to retest down, and pull back into the, I guess, the 860, 870 zone. And then try to get a big bounce back tomorrow morning. At least try to retest the pivot here at $25,000. I think at some point we try to retest the $25,000. I don't know if you guys agree. Right? Maybe try to retest $25,000 at some point. I just don't know if that's going to be today, though. You know what I mean? I kind of like that idea, right? You see? I wonder if you try to retest this $25,000 tomorrow. Right, at some point we got a nice beautiful 200-day moving average, kind of fall in line as well in that pivot zone 25. So I think we maybe up for a bounce back into 25k. I mean, that's not really too far off either, right? So that's like another 60 points from where we are now. Gold is dumping now, guys. 1 second, guys. Let me just take a look at the gold. Oh my god, guys. I don't know what to do with gold. I don't know what to make out with the gold. That's the problem. The wicks are okay. So I'm really trying to understand the wicks, right? The wicks are how much? Each candle wick is the high and the low, 42, 33. So it's about 10 points candle. This is a little bit bigger. Well, I think, yeah, 10 points, right? So 10 points candle so far. So this could be the high here on this candle was 24. Maybe a pull back into 18. And then try to get a bounce off that. I don't know. On NQ 25,250. I'm not sure if I don't know, 250, that's a little bit too much. Maybe I'm right now thinking about 25,050 area at most for now. And then if that if we pierce through that tomorrow morning, for example, then we could, yeah, we have a chance of a bounce back into 252. Yeah, I agree. So we got these levels, right? 250, the 200. Sorry, not 200. 25,050 or 25,250, right? We gotta pierce through that levels though first. Back into the gold. The gold, yeah. I mean, I purposely did not get into a short position because I wanted to see what this candle does. But it's really hard to kind of trade this candle though. The price of the gold is not understandable. Very hard to even. A very, very good point, Jonathan. And that's what I kind of feel. Trading gold. Let's just try to make some technical analysis in this gold, right? Technical analysis, right? Or maybe also try to have some Fibonacci as well, if we can. Right, so that's a little bit of a Fibonacci. Today's high and today's low, meaning New York, right? So we get a little bounce here, 61.8 Fibonacci here, 40.25. So I guess if we try to get a bounce off this level, then we probably end up getting a bounce back into the 30s. But see, we got a rejection off the 50%, right, in that 40-30. And we really pierced through back down into the 61.8, and now we're trying to get a little bit of a bounce back up again. So I think they will try to take out the 700 support tonight. Lots of stops under that. 700, are you talking about NQ? A pull back into 700? That's like the swing low here, right? That's like the swing low here. You think we are going to see a pullback down? That's a pretty interesting. That's a pretty interesting. Wow, I don't know. Oh, that's Zen25 saying that. Okay, Zen25 saying that we're gonna pull back here into the 700. I think so. It's definitely doable, but we gotta, man, I don't know. I think we gotta pull back here into the 830s. Sorry, 860s before we start to make that call. I think for now we did not break any of these levels. You know what I mean? I'm leaning more to the upside. I may be wrong, and you know, I'm not trying to make some calls here, but I may try to swing, not overnight, swing between, let's say, after streaming is over, I may try to swing one account before I go to bed or something like that. You know what I mean? So I'm kind of leaning more to the upside here between now and try to get back into the, trying to get at least closer to the 25K, but I don't think London is going to buy this market. Oh, all right. So we got a lot of traders actually thinking we get a pullback because we don't really have that true buyers. Zen 25. Google held up market today. Not sure what will support us tomorrow. Speculative Nvidia earnings. Buy the rumor, sell the news, maybe. Nvidia. Or are we just gonna dump? You know, I have seen that many times over and over again, right? Nvidia earnings come out a day before. Say, people may try to sell now, thinking that we are gonna see a much bigger pullback. Like, keep in mind, Nvidia pulled back. I think today was 2%. Don't tell me to what? Tomorrow's Nvidia? Or was it on Wednesday? I think it was Wednesday. Was it tomorrow or Wednesday? I think it's Wednesday. I think it's Wednesday. Let me just take a look and see. Nvidia now 185. Yeah, so we got that pullback. Nvidia today, I think it's down about 2%, a little less than 2%, I think. And the report, yeah, it's on Wednesday, right? So yeah, man. And the Bitcoin's not doing any better either, right? The Bitcoin kind of pulling back. Yeah, the Bitcoin just pulling back, you guys, man. Back into the 91,000 Bitcoin. Oh man. SPY gave me a clue that the top is in for now. Very, very important point Justin Bright just stated. SPY gave a clue, and I kind of agree. We went through the SPY here earlier today. We may get a little decade bounce, I guess, maybe if we try to get a further extended move to the downside, but yeah, it's gonna be very interesting, guys. It's tomorrow's gonna be a very exciting day. Today was exciting, very wild. StockTiger getting cooked. Corey the Sculptor. Hey, anybody can become an affiliate. It doesn't have to be just anybody who's on YouTube, right? You can grow your own channel. You can, you can promote yourself, right? Nothing wrong with that. Why not, right? Why not? Everybody can do it. Especially for traders who are actually doing it full time. Especially the traders doing it full time. Like if you're actually physically sitting on your desk full time as a trader, then I think I would strongly suggest, like if it's me, if I'm in my desk all day, I would strongly, like I would get on the YouTube, go live, even if it's just few people watching you. Doesn't matter, right? At some point it's gonna be like hundreds and hundreds. And yeah, I think it's why not, right? You guys know last year I was streaming like 2 in the morning, like 8 in the evening for about 6-7 hours straight, right? Oh, Instagram, yeah, that's also a good way to. I mean, you see, there's so many guys, obviously, who does not even trade, but they're still promoting their affiliates, right? So, not a bad idea. Not a bad idea. Anyways, guys, let's just get back into trading. I may have to just call it here, man. It's just not moving anything. This market's kind of wonky. It's not even a chop anymore. It just doesn't move at all. So I don't know if this is kind of a good idea to. So Corey the Sculptor, who are you on our Discord? Is that you here on a PNL? Is that you here on this one? Is this you? Scalpster? Is this you? Hey man, Justin Wright, you have a great night, brother. It's Lauren. Anyone still waiting for KYC for Funded Next? On day 12, no updates. Your KYC, you gotta do it yourself. It's on their dashboard. On the top of the dashboard, you can see the KYC. It's not complete. Just go ahead and complete that. It's pretty straightforward. I did that. It took me 5 minutes and I got my payout. It's Lauren. I'm talking to you, by the way. Hey man, Corey the Sculptor, man, you're most welcome, brother. Yeah, I don't know what this gold is gonna try and do as well. The gold, oh man, look at this gold, guys, trying to get a balance, man. Oh my god, I would have been absolutely destroyed if I actually ended up shorting this bad boy, right? We are trying to get a bounce back in this gold, but it's hard to trade gold. I mean, I don't know, I just find it very difficult to trade gold. Anyways, guys, I think this market is not really trying to do anything, and we are past 9 o'clock now. As much as I love to trade tomorrow morning, I'm feeling also a little bit concerned in how the price action is going to be. If it's going to be that big, nasty, volatile day as we got today, this morning, then we're in for some fun day tomorrow, I guess. But anyways, guys, I think this market is not doing anything right now. Not easy to trade this price action. So I guess I'm gonna have to call it here, guys. We've done the giveaway. Congrats to the winner, FYI. And guys, we'll see you guys back tomorrow. I thank you guys, all of you, for being here today. We had a lot of fun, and thank you guys for being here every day with us. Don't forget to smack the like before you hop out as well, if you guys haven't done that. We'll see you guys back tomorrow, guys. God bless everybody. Tomorrow back during the Globex Asia at 5:30 p.m. Eastern time. Until then, everybody, you guys have a great rest of the night. Thank you once again for being here. We'll see you guys back tomorrow. Thank you. Peace.